could be death by PowerPoint.
Okay,
We're not.
once again, I have the typical. What type of transmission is this? This is V-drive or a straight?
Straight.
Straight. Look, the shaft
angle
is
of the
practically parallel to the crankshaft. No?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I explained in the previous class that all the hydraulic units, if you have a hydraulic unit, you have the motor, you have the pump, you have the valve body, and the solenoids to send the fluid in this direction or this direction. You remember? And I explained the valve body with the plunger, moving the fluid in one direction or the other one. This is the valve body.
2 cylinders.
Correct. With three
solenoids.
sections. 3 sections. In the middle is neutral. In one direction send fluid for forward. In the other direction send fluid for reverse. You remember in the board I explained in class. Okay, this is, and what is this?
The pump.
The pump, the hydraulic pump. In this particular case is different like the pump in gasoline engines. What is the other name for this pump located here?
High pressure pump?
PTO. That's the PTO. Power training. Yeah. This is the PTO or hydraulic pump. Okay, the hydraulic pump introduces the fluid with high pressure into the valve body, and depending on the position, you send the fluid for forward, for the clutch pack or forward, or for the clutch pack or reverse. How I move the plunger internally in the body valve?
With the servo.
With the solenoid. The solenoid push here or here, because I have 2 solenoids. One solenoid for
Reverse.
and other solenoid for forward. And the solenoids enter here and here.
It'll dry out. He's not gonna stop. No.
Okay? Ready, my friends? Look, how I bring the power for this solenoid. How I bring the signal to activate that solenoid.
The ignition?
No, the
Look, forward, neutral, or reverse. Hey, follow me. I send the signal here or here to activate the plunger in this direction or this direction. Everybody follow me?
That's why there's 2.
Yeah, select.
Yes. Pay attention.
Forward or reverse?
Yeah.
Forward or reverse. The customer, the captain say, I engage the motor in forward, in reverse, nothing. How you check that situation here?
See if we're getting signal.
Okay, the captain said only forward.
Yeah.
The captain said only forward, not reverse.
Check the.
This is the typical relay that you remember, 85, 86.
The bus relay.
I remove that one. I bring power from the battery here. The engine is running in neutral in this moment, and I bring power here. Engage reverse. Okay, this is good.
This is good.
What is damaged?
The throttle.
It could be that.
Probably the relay is damaged, or the harness.
The harness itself could have mounted.
Let me check.
by wrap.
Let me check.
Tame squirrels.
Ah, now this one is working and that one is not working. Is this?
It's a relay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
This is
Troubleshooting.
troubleshooting. Yeah.
This engine looks brand new, huh?
This engine is new.
Yeah.
It's new.
You donated?
I-
You
Can we take it
donated?
apart?
No.
No.
He's like,
No.
shit.